Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make mango flavored chicken. I've got here a baby chicken and I've got mango pulp, salt, chili flakes, madras curry, a fresh mango, a lime. You can use a lemon, but we didn't have a lemon, so we're going to use lime instead. And I've got coriander crushed. Okay, I'm going to start making cuts. So you need deep cuts onto the breast, like so. And on the other side, on the thigh and the leg, make sure you make them deep so the masala goes inside. Okay, so I'm making the sauce. To begin with, I'll add the mango pulp, because it's a small chicken, baby chicken. Three. Just 3 tablespoons of mango pulp and 1 teaspoon crushed chili, 1 teaspoon of madras curry, salt to taste, a teaspoon, what's that right now, crushed coriander. Squeeze the lime or the lemon half a bit at this stage. Okay, I've got olive extra virgin oil. You need about this much. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And then you mix it. Okay, so you get the chicken. And you mix in. You mix in thoroughly. You can smell the mango already. Okay, so you need to marinate this about 1 to 2 hours, or even more. I mean, it would be better if you could do it a day before. The more marination you have, the more flavor you're going to get in the chicken. Okay, I'm just covering the chicken so it's easier. And keep it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Okay, so it's been 2 hours, the chicken's been marinated. I'm now going to steam it first. So to start off, add a glass of water, the lime that I squeezed into the water, cinnamon stick. Okay, if you see in there, I've got the rack for the steamer. So the chicken. So I put the chicken in there. Into there. Put that on the top. All of it. So it goes in the pressure cooker for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna open the lid now. I get some olive oil. Yeah, that should be enough. Got the oven preheated. So I put that in the oven for about 15 minutes. We'll check it after 15 minutes. The mango flavour chicken is now ready. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe. And do try this recipe yourself and share it with your friends. Okay, I'm now going to try the chicken myself. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah, it's not bad.